Today really wasn't about the money. But yeah, I did make some money today. But honestly, that wasn't the biggest win. My biggest win happened way before I even closed my trading account. So a couple months ago, if you guys didn't know, I filed for bankruptcy. So now I'm starting all over. A small account, back to the basics. So my goal isn't to get rich overnight. My goal is to basically simply see if I can follow my rules every single day. That's just really the challenge I'm on right now. So this morning I sat down, I'm waiting for the market to open, and honestly, it was slow, super slow. I couldn't find nothing. There was nothing up, like coming up on my scanner. So usually I use my scanner because it tells me or shows me the stocks that's gonna give me the opportunity for today. But guess what? Nothing popped up. So I started looking through one of my old watch lists. So this is something I already have on the side that I do use to put past stocks that I have traded before. And I saw this stock, CIFR, if you guys know, put in the comment section. And that stock, I've traded plenty of time. And I looked at it and everything lined up. So when I say everything lined up, meaning my strategy, like the setup, everything aligned. Going forward, the setup was there. So I looked at it, paid attention to it, and now there were things that got super interesting. So as soon as I got into that trade, I started feeling a little anxiety. It might sound a little bit crazy. The fact that I even trade the stock so much that I'm starting to get anxiety. But I didn't get the anxiety because the setup was bad or it's a bad stock. The reason I was a little bit anxious was because there was nothing else to trade. Just for example, say if that trade did not go as planned. So I started to talk to myself like, what did I get myself into? And I'm like, what if it doesn't work? What if I ended red today? Even though that's the bad thought process to have, that's the one that I had. Then I realized that this is exactly the moment that used to mess me up when I used to trade back in the day. Not the strategy and not the market. It was literally just me and my thought process, my brain. Because in the past, I would have started second guessing everything, every single thing. I would have watched every little tick, every little move, the up, down, every pullback, start doubting myself. And then before I knew it, I would have definitely sold it back in the day. But today, I remember everything that I've been telling myself like lately is to trade like the casino. I don't know if you ever heard that before, that saying, but that's something that, or a statement that I heard before that kind of had me consistently like locked in. Trade like the casino, think like the casino. So for example, they don't care what the person win is. They just know that they have an edge and they're just gonna keep doing that process, right? And that's it. So I told myself, stop worrying about this one trade. Think like the casino, trade like the casino. Just follow your plan. And already, I already backtested this strategy multiple times. I traded it multiple times, and I shouldn't have to doubt myself based on what I know that works, right? So now my job is just to trust it. And that's exactly what I did today. I stopped staring at every single move. I started to follow my rules. I actually let the trade do what it was supposed to do, and it worked. I ended up making about like 47 cents on that move. But to be honest, the 47 cent really wasn't the win. The win was proving to myself that I can actually stay disciplined. Because if I'm gonna be real, my strategy never really was the problem. My problem was always getting in my own way. Selling too early, not trusting myself, and letting my emotion make the decision that my trade plan already made, right? So today I felt a little bit different, not because of the money, but because I finally felt like I trusted myself a little more than I did yesterday. And I think that's what the comeback is really about. Yeah, I do want to grow the small account, and yes, I do want to make money from this. But more than anything, I want to become that trader that actually trusts the process. Because if I can consistently do this, I feel like everything else will fall in line.